morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video it is just going to be a day in the life. I'm bringing you guys along with me. I've got some coolers I've got to get washed and cleaned and bleached, and get the food together because me and my husband are going hunting this weekend. So it is Thursday and I'm trying to get everything done and get the truck loaded up because Friday, as soon as he gets home from work, we are heading out. So Friday is his half day. So as soon as he gets off work, we are just heading to the woods. So I am trying to get all of this done and ready. So it's not like a whole lot, but it's quite a bit. But I'm gonna turn you around and show you guys what I have already, and then we're gonna move on and get in some other things done. So I went ahead and got my husband's Monsters. I got us some paper plates, Pop-Tarts, some snacks that we can just take out to the deer stand with us. These are obviously mine. These are mine. And then I also got us some pancakes that I can make for breakfast for us when we get back from our morning hunt, and chips to go with our hot dogs for dinner. So I need to get all of this packed up, which I am putting it all in this because I'm taking this with us that we can use to like wash dishes and everything. But and then I've got water jugs I've got to get filled up, and then I've got to get some tea made that I can take out with us.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
And I was just getting some vanilla ready to take with me, and I do need to make some more homemade vanilla, so I gotta order some more vanilla beans for that. But I had to go get my husband some new boots. He was wearing his work boots out there. I'm like, that's just not gonna work. But I was just getting our bags ready.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something.
Okay, so all this is ready. Found my charger, some dish soap, a rag to wash some dishes, and something to mix my pancakes in and to cook on. I do eventually want to get an air fryer to take out there to put in our camper, but that's eventually. And I had to go and get my husband some boots because he did not have a good pair for the woods. So I've got all this done. We just got to get this filled up with water so we can take that with us. These I'll put in a little bit later. I have a little bit of laundry I'm getting done to put in those. Okay, so now I am just getting started on scrubbing down these coolers. This cooler, the weekend before we did get a deer, we went hunting and we got a deer. My husband did. So I was just getting this cooler cleaned out, and I washed it out with Dawn dish soap, and then I bleached it, rinsed it out with bleach just to kill any germs and bacteria that there was possibly could be growing in there, because I don't want to contaminate my meats. And so I got that cleaned and sanitized, and then I've got like 2 other coolers I'm gonna get done. The big blue one, that was actually someone from camp. We borrowed their cooler because our cooler just was not big enough for that deer because it was quite big. And then the next cooler that I get cleaned, it has actually been sitting for a long time. So there was mold growing in there, and it was like really disgusting. So I got that one scrubbed out as well. but I did fill that one up with bleach, and I let it sit for 24 hours with bleach water to kill anything that was in there. So got that done, and then I'm just going to get moved on getting the truck loaded up.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
So right here, I was getting out of the truck, y'all. I about wiped out. My bottom of my feet were wet, and the bed of the truck was wet. I was putting the cooler in there, and there was a beer bottle that hadn't been opened but onto the side, and I went to push the cooler back, and I busted that beer bottle. So I had to rinse all the beer out of the bed of the truck, and I'm getting this cooler cleaned out. I forgot to clean it out from the weekend before. So I just got it cleaned out, got the water drained, and ready for more ice. I put like our drinks and stuff in there. I do need to pick up some more coolers. So I grew up hunting. That is something I did with my mom and dad growing up. We went hunting every year, and my husband, I got him interested in it. It took me a little while, but I asked him, I told him I wanted to go hunting because it was something I missed doing as a child, and even as like a teenager, it was something I was missing. And so I had said something to him about it. And then he went out and found a 4-wheeler. We bought it's an older 4-wheeler. Got a 4-wheeler and found a hunting lease. We've actually been looking for a hunting lease around here for a couple of years. And we just found one. This will be our second year on the hunting lease. So we are still getting things together and getting our camp done. We still got a few things to buy. My husband was looking at like an outdoor shower, so we can shower and everything. And so yeah, there's still a lot to do, but I will show you guys around camp. I didn't do it this time, but the next time we go out, I will film and show around like our camp and our camper. It is old. It has been sitting there since like 88. So it needs a lot of work, but we've been working on it, and we got the gas stove working. We had to replace a few things on that. So we got that going so I can cook out there. And but it's just something I enjoy doing, and I love spending the time with my husband, and it actually has brought us a lot closer. We bonding a lot more over hanging out in the woods, going hunting, and it just brought us closer. And plus, we get away from the 3 teenage kids we have. So we get a little break from the kids. So that's nice. And I have two teenage kids. My son is 19. My daughter will be 17. And her friend had moved in with us, and she will be 18 in about a month and a half. And she's a senior in high school. And my son is a senior in high school as well. So they're both graduating this year. Well, 25, which is exciting. But we're just going to finish getting this loaded up and ready. Okay, so the only thing I have left to do is get this cooler, get our food in it, which I'm just doing hot dogs for dinner tonight, and I don't know what we're doing. Actually, tonight I think we're going to stop and grab a burger on our way, but so all I gotta do is get our food in that one but I'm going to do that when my husband gets home right before we get ready to leave, because I don't have ice for it just yet. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you guys like more videos like this, let me know and I will film more videos of us going out to the deer lease. But I hope you guys had a fantastic Tuesday and a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.